So guys, for the first step, you want to find the file that you're having a problem with. You want to right click on it, and then click on properties, and now you want to click on security, and now you want to click on advanced, and now once you run this, you want to click on change, and now once this comes up, you want to click on advanced, and then click on find now. Now once we're here, you just want to find your username in this list. If you don't know what your username is, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you run this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find your Windows drive. Double click on it and then click on Users. It's now going to be showing your username right here. Mine is Speedy Tutorials. So now once you know what your username is, we're going to find it in this list. Here's my username right here. So you want to click on your username and then click on OK, which is now going to add your username in here. And now you want to click on OK and then click on OK again. You should now be seeing your username in this list. You want to click on it and then click on Edit. Click on it again. Make sure that you have full control ticked. You want to tick full control and then click on OK. And then click on OK again. And the problem should now be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.